Alright guys, we got two brand new Blackview devices, the general deals to talk about. So the first one is the Blackview Tab 15, the second is the Blackview BV7200. First off, the Tab 15. We got a 10.5-inch display, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, with the octa-core Unisoc T610 CPU processor. Comes with a versatile PC mode. I'm guessing it has like a DeX mode, something like that. And an 8280 mAh battery. And this thing is gonna start off at 160 bucks, which is in my opinion, pretty damn good price for the specs we're getting. The Blackview BV7200 is another rugged phone by Blackview, so that means we get IP68 water resistant, drop resistance as well. And also a pretty decent processor, the MediaTek Helio G85, an insane 50 megapixel camera, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, with a 5180 mAh battery. Android 12 and something called Dock OS 3.0. Dock OS, never heard of it. Also glove mode and NFC. If you don't know what glove mode is, it's if you're like in a very snowy conditions and you need to wear gloves, the phone will work with gloves because normal touchscreens do not. And yeah, check out the description for other phones that are on sale if you're not interested in these particular two new Blackview. They make decent stuff. If you want high-performing devices for a low price, then I usually turn to Blackview. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.